Hello guys, I'm Pranali, the founder of Bold and Beautiful Hair Accessories. Today I'm back with another exciting order packaging video. And I just want to say a huge thank you for all the love you showed on my first packaging reel. This time it's very special order from Manali. And guess what? It's our first big order of 6 XL size scrunchies. I have I was honestly so happy when I saw it. She ordered all silk satin fabric scrunchies, a mixed order of printed and plain ones. Before packing, we always do quality check on the elastic. If any elastic is loose or broken, we immediately replace it. Quality is our priority, of course. I am also super excited to share that this time we have our complete branding materials ready. In our first order, I did not have stickers, thank you cards, everything I told you in previous reel also. But now seeing my brand name and on this material feels so special. It's a small step, but it means a lot. And we are done with the packaging. I was so happy to hear that the customer loved all the scrunchies. That's the best feeling ever. Thank you for watching all my reels and supporting me. When you are giving the orders, guys, I'm waiting for it. Thank you.